Hello everyone. So in this video, we will learn how we can connect our Python with MongoDB. So we already learned in our previous videos that how we can get our connection URL from Mongo client. So for Mongo client, so let's say we have a sales database here. Under the database, we may have a multiple collections like sales data, fact sales data, and dim data. So we need to use either one collection. Like for the sake of this demo, I am going to use sales data, and this sales data has a multiple documents. So if you see, it has 64,000 documents. So under the document, we have a multiple columns. So order date, key, full name, unit price are the columns or fields of the document of each document. So in Python, actually, what we need to do, we need to import some libraries. So let me get back to your Python site. So on Python, we need to import PyMongo. The PyMongo is a library which actually help us for connectivity with the MongoDB URL. And I am also using config.py file, which is actually contains my password and user ID. So it's nothing. You can write password and user ID as well as here in this line. And URL lib.parse I use because my password has some special character like $, or maybe some other special character. So it need to be escape password. So once I did, I create a URL like MongoDB plus SRV, then my username colon escape password and your cloud cluster name. So once you created your cloud cluster name, which you can already fetch from Mongo Cloud as well. Okay, Mongo Atlas we can save. So after that, you need to provide your database name and collection name. Let's say in my case, I am taking sales as a database name and collection name as sales database. Let me show one more time that sales is my database name and sales data is my collection name, right? So if you understand that how we can fetch the things, then let's get back to our Python code to understand more about. So in line number 15, actually, I am going to connect pymongo.mongo client with Mongo URL, which I provided in line number 7, and I write this code under the try catch block in case if I caught any exception. So my program will logically manage or handle it. So Mongo underscore URI is a URL where I can have the full connectivity of the MongoDB. Then I provide database name and collection name, which I already store in line number 8 and 9. And in line number 23, I am limiting 10 rows because I already told you that we have 60,000 documents. So I am not going to print all the document. I am printing or limiting only 10 documents. And under the document, I am using a for loop. So let's run the program. I am going to open terminal command and then write Python code, Python command, and my program name is mongodb.py. Let's hit enter. It's connecting and taking up just few seconds, and here you go, you have a result. So it's showing top 10 documents in a JSON format. And we have an order date key, and its value is 29/12/2010. Let's verify this data with our documents. Like we have value and order date key. Let's verify this with our documents. So we have order date key 29/12/2010. It's okay. And let's compare full name, which is called Watson. So full name is called Watson. So this is a way where you can verify your document. So Python program is pretty simple. If we have error, then we can say we could not connect with our database. Okay. And if we also use a final block with our Python code. This is a loop where we print each one of the record, and this is a final block where if client is null, then it would close the connection. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much for your watching this video.